Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is Cross Comb Repair, Take 2. When we initially did our cross comb repair, we made a huge mess. If you've been following along with the Italian package, you know that when we first installed them, we made some big mistakes. So we made an attempt to fix some of those mistakes, and it didn't work so well. So Jim suggested that we take and put an empty box above it and try to get the bees to go up and start all over again. Basically, I just built an empty nuke box with no bottom in it. And then I went ahead and put a queen excluder in, so that the queen can't get past this, but the rest of the bees can. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get a good piece of comb, hopefully from the nuke below, put it up in this top box, put some empty frames up here, and get them building where they should be. As soon as Jim gets here, we'll be diving into those Italian packages, see what's going on, and get this empty box installed. Dragonfly. They shouldn't be there. They got this one basically wall to wall. It is so wide. Oh, and there goes half of it. But I see we just get the queen, leave all these in here, and then get her to come up. Get everything come up, because this is a mess. Hopefully we can find a queen in this one. I don't know if we're gonna find her. Yeah. We might just as well take and do it that way I was thinking, because there's so much double comb and everything in here, and it's breaking. There's a piece broke down in the bottom. Well, there sure are a lot of bees.
Yeah. Well, you know, the strongest colony is the one that you got the grief with.
Well, I bet you that one next to you is pretty strong
too.
Going too. Yeah. Okay. Well, settle down in there. Put this in. Oh, we want this out though. These are that made with no bottom, so they can't build off it.
Ah. One way to
yeah.
smart them.
Well, I don't know about that, but hopefully it'll work. If I had a little spacer for the side there. Hopefully if they get some comb drawn on here, then next week queen may have come up to lay on the new comb, and we can throw that queen excluder in and maybe this sugar water will get them up here.
Yeah, I think you know, they load up with the sugar water and then they go down, and the first place they got to build comb is right there on those top bars.
Well, not everything went as planned. We couldn't find the queen, so we removed our queen excluder, put an empty box on top with some frames in it, and a feeder above that. Hopefully those bees will come up, get in that feeder, and start building from the top down again. Then the queen will move up onto the fresh comb, and they'll start building, and we can put the queen excluder get the brood out of the bottom. I'm B-Boy Bill, and thanks for watching these videos. If you'd like to see what I do next, make sure to click the subscribe button.